welcome to our video on how to record a voiceover. So we have a simple sequence and I am going to narrate and give a voiceover for this kind of process video. So to get started, we kind of need to set up some things in preferences. So we're going to go to Premiere Pro. If you're on a PC, this is under Edit and Preferences, and make a stop by Audio. And we want to mute input during timeline recording. That just means that any other audio, interviews, B-roll will be muted and we won't be double recording it. If you forget to mute input, you're going to get feedback and you will immediately know that something has went awry. Then we're going to go over to audio hardware, and if I'm using an external microphone, this is where I need to set that up. So my input is going to be my blue microphone, and I'm going to hit yes, and then I'm going to hit OK. So that was just all of our preferences. Now we need to figure out what track we're going to record to, and I'm going to record here to A2. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and mute the track. That means that I've muted the timeline during recording and I've muted it so I don't hear it when I'm recording. So I'm not recording it twice and I'm not hearing it. Now I'm going to expand A2, and that's where I'm going to target my recording to. So I'm going to click this wrench and I want to customize my audio header. I need two things down here in my audio tracks. I want to make sure that I have both the microphone, which is the button I click when I'm ready to voice over record, and I want this R, which enables the track for recording. So I'm going to drag the R down there and I'm going to hit OK. And so it may look like that R is not there, but I just need to pull this down a little bit and it's right underneath Audio 2. Now, if it's difficult for me to see that, another solution in that customized audio header is just to reset the layout and kind of move things around. So I'm going to go ahead and click the R. That lets Premiere know that this is the track I'm recording to, A2. And now I need to do my voiceover record settings. So I'm going to right click on that microphone and I'm going to go to voiceover record settings. And I'm going to make sure that my source and input are both to the Blue 2.0. And then I'm going to set countdown sound cue, so it's going to click at me. And I want a pre-roll of 3 seconds and a post-roll of, we'll just change this to 4 seconds. And then we'll close that. And so now we're ready to go. So to record, all I need to do is hit the microphone. I'll get my countdown and I can begin recording. So you can see that I can watch the video that I put together, and as I'm narrating, and this is going to be a part where I talk about the ingredients that they use and the tools and how much is the quantity of it and everything that goes into this making process. And when I'm done recording, I can click the microphone and it's done. Now, you may have noticed, and let's zoom in here so that we can see this. I clicked it and it just really ended. So one of the things I like to do is stop talking and leave a little bit of a gap. And you can see that at the beginning. That just gives me a little bit of padding to edit my audio. So that is recording a voiceover.